Once you turn 60, something strange happens in the world of air travel. Airports change, airlines change, the rules change, but no one tells you. A hidden door opens, a door filled with rights, privileges, and protections designed specifically for senior travelers. They can save you money, they can save you hours of waiting, and they can make every single trip easier, safer, and more comfortable. But here's the part no airport will ever admit. These rights exist, but airports won't advertise them. Airlines won't tell you about them. Travel agencies definitely won't mention them, because the fewer seniors who know, the more the system profits. Today, that ends. You're about to learn 10 forgotten travel rights every senior traveler deserves, but almost no one claims. So let's get straight to the first one. The first forgotten right is senior assistance at airports. Not just wheelchairs, not just mobility help, but full guided support through check-in, security, and all the way to your gate. You don't need a medical note. You don't need a disability status. You only need to ask. Airports around the world have dedicated staff, carts, escorts, and priority lanes specifically for travelers over 60. They were created to protect seniors from exhaustion, long walks, and confusing terminals. But they are almost never advertised because they require airports to use more staff and more time. All you have to say is, "Do you offer senior assistance?" That single sentence can turn a stressful airport experience into a calm, comfortable one. If you don't ask, no one offers. But once you do, everything changes. The second forgotten right is better seating. Most people check in too early, believing they'll get better seats by doing it first. But airlines quietly reshuffle seating charts 3 to 5 hours before the flight. At that moment, aisle seats, front row seats, and premium spots open up. And seniors are often prioritized because they're seen as calm, low-risk passengers. But this only works if you check in closer to departure, not the day before. Log in during that 3 to 5 hour window. You'd be surprised how many great seats suddenly appear for free. The third right is extra baggage allowance. Some airlines, especially in Europe and Asia, offer seniors a higher weight limit or even one extra checked bag at no extra cost. These policies are buried deep in airline rules, never shown on booking websites. But the moment you ask, "Do you offer senior baggage allowance?" agents can unlock discounts most travelers never see. It can save you between $50 and $100 per trip. The fourth right is free airport assistance. Yes, another version of it. But this is the one almost everyone misunderstands. You don't need to be in a wheelchair to request it. If you're tired, overwhelmed, anxious, or simply prefer a smoother experience, you are allowed to ask for support as a senior traveler. Many airports will take you from check-in to your gate on an electric cart. Others will provide a personal escort who handles your bags and guides you through every step. It's not a privilege for a few, it's a right for anyone over 60, but only if you speak up. There's another forgotten privilege senior travelers rarely use: access to quiet zones and priority rest areas inside the airport. Most major airports maintain silent waiting rooms or low-traffic seating areas specifically intended for older travelers, but they're almost never labeled publicly. These spaces are calmer, less crowded, and often closer to boarding gates. You can ask any airport staff member, "Do you have a quiet area for senior passengers?" and they're required to guide you. It's a small change that makes a massive difference during long layovers or delays. Airports don't promote these areas because keeping them quiet only works if few people know they exist. But now you do, and you deserve the comfort that's already built into the terminal. The fifth right is senior exclusive discounts airlines don't show online. When you search flights on Expedia or Google Flights, you only see standard fares. But on the airline's official website, or over the phone, many carriers offer 10 to 25% off for senior passengers. Some include free seat selection, early boarding, or more flexible cancellation. You don't get these deals unless you enter your date of birth or ask an agent directly. Most seniors never know they exist, and airlines quietly pocket the difference. The sixth right is secret priority boarding. Many airlines allow seniors to board before the main cabin, but they don't announce it. They wait for you to request it at the counter. All you have to say is, "Do you offer priority boarding for senior passengers?" Most gate agents can flag your reservation instantly. You board early, avoid the crowds, and secure overhead bin space without the stress. The seventh right is complimentary snacks and drinks. Not everything in the cabin is paid. Many flight attendants are allowed to offer free coffee, tea, juice, or snacks to senior travelers who ask politely. They won't advertise it, but it's part of an unspoken service culture airlines follow quietly. Try saying, "Do you have any special perks for senior travelers today?" You'd be surprised how often you're offered something comforting for free. The eighth forgotten right is the last-minute upgrade window. 5 to 10 minutes before boarding, airlines perform one final seat reshuffle. Cancellations come in, missed connections show up, premium seats free up unexpectedly. Gate agents have full discretion on who to move forward. And calm, respectful senior travelers often get priority. Again, only if they ask at the right moment. Just walk to the counter before boarding and say, "Are there any upgrade opportunities for senior passengers?" Many travelers walk away with extra legroom or a better seat, at no charge. The ninth right is hidden compensation protection. If your flight is delayed, canceled, or causes a missed connection, you may be entitled to far more than a simple apology. Hotel stays, meal vouchers, rebooking on the next flight, transportation, even full cash refunds in some regions. And here's the real secret. Many airlines have internal flexibility guidelines for senior travelers, meaning agents can offer better compensation if you clearly mention your age and calmly request the support you're entitled to. You'd never know these policies exist, because they're tucked away in the fine print. Another overlooked senior right is flexibility. Many airlines quietly allow travelers over 60 to make same-day flight changes at a reduced fee, or even for free, when seats are available. It's rarely written anywhere, but agents can apply senior consideration to help you board an earlier or later flight if your schedule changes. This is especially useful during long travel days, bad weather, or when you arrive at the airport earlier than expected. Most seniors never ask because they assume every change carries a penalty. But the truth is, the rules often bend for those who politely mention their age and ask if flexibility is available. You don't have to wait. You don't have to rush. You simply have to ask. And finally, the 10th truth. Why are all of these rights hidden? Because the travel industry profits when seniors stay uninformed. Unclaimed discounts, unused benefits, unrequested assistance. It all saves them money. But now, you know the truth. You know what to ask for. You know how to claim what's already yours. The next time you fly, don't walk through the airport the same way. Walk with confidence because you now understand the system better than most people who work in it. And before your next trip, make sure you're protected. Unexpected delays, lost bags, cancellations, they hit senior travelers the hardest. That's why I always recommend Generali travel insurance. It's reliable, affordable, and the link is in the description below. Get covered before your next flight so that every right you just learned actually works in your favor. If this guide opened your eyes, don't keep it to yourself. Share it. Help another senior traveler save time, money, and stress. And be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell. Your next trip deserves to be easier. And the next video on your screen will show you even more travel secrets airports hope you never learn. Travel smart, travel safe, and remember, the best rights are the ones you claim.